Have you ever made brown sugar cookies? Y'all, these are hands down way better than regular sugar cookies. They look a little plain Jane, but they are just so chewy and rich and buttery. Amazing brown sugar flavor, and it's easy to make. Let's go. Okay, we're going to start by adding some salt and baking soda to my flour here. We're going to whisk this all around just to get it combined. And yeah, I should have used a bigger bowl, but it's going to work. Okay, that looks good. Next, we're going to move along. We're going to add some butter and butter flavor shortening into a bowl. Mix it all together. Yes, you can use all butter, but using butter and butter flavor shortening, that's the ticket. I love it. Okay, so it's all mixed in. Next comes that dark brown sugar. Make sure you use dark brown sugar. It just gives such a good flavor. We're going to go ahead and mix this all around until everything is combined and you can no longer see that butter and that shortening. Just like this right here is looking good. Yep, that's how it should look right there. Okay, so next what we're going to do is add in our molasses. A bit more molasses. Yes, it's already in the brown sugar, but adding on a little bit more just makes the flavor so amazing, okay? It's so good. These cookies, y'all, they are so good and addictive. I love it. Okay, next we're gonna add in our egg, one whole egg, and then we're gonna throw in one egg yolk. Okay, now comes our vanilla extract. Use pure vanilla extract. We're gonna add a lot of it in there, make it taste real good. We're gonna mix this all up just like this. Okay, looks good. Make sure you scrape down the sides of your bowl really well, and here's how it will look once it's all mixed up. So that is our cue to add in our dry ingredients. We're going to dump that flour right into our wet ingredients. I like to do it a little bit at a time. That way it's not like so much flour. But go ahead and get your little spatula and just mix it in just until all that flour is combined. You can't see it anymore. It's going to be a little bit of an exercise. Your arm's going to be burning, but it is so worth it. All right, here's how it's going to look right here. And I love that you do not have to chill this dough at all. Just make it up, throw it in the oven. I love it. We're going to scoop out about a tablespoon worth of dough here. You can give it a roll and place it on your baking sheet about 2 inches apart, just like that, okay? You can roll these in sugar if you want to. I don't do all that. I really don't need it. Pop these into the oven, 350 for about 10 to 12 minutes. Let it sit on the pan for about 2 minutes, and then you can remove them onto a cooling rag, and you're done. The easiest brown sugar cookies that are so good. They look so plain, so when people eat them, they're like, oh my God, these are actually really, really good, because they are so chewy, and it says chewy for days. Now, because these cookies are thin, they make the perfect sandwich cookie. I like to eat them plain, but you can frost them if you want to. If you make them, let me know how you like them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Later.